In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in YouTube TV. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to have an internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be having any problems regarding your facing any internet connection issues. However, if you are having any problems regarding your login, you can simply navigate yourself to the YouTube TV application. If you have the YouTube TV application, it will show over here. I'll show you guys on the YouTube application. Simply tap and hold on it and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache, and here you're going to tap on Clear Cache at the bottom of your screen to clear cache of the application. And if you want to delete the files of the application, you can simply click on Clear Storage. And by doing so, the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's still any other problems on the application, you can simply restart your device and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.